Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. In today's episode, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this USB hub. This is an all-in-one that is, you can go ahead and attach many USB ports and also memory card to your computer. Because most of the computers or laptops have only few ports. So this is just like an extender to go ahead and attach for many devices. So let's start. So first to start with, this is the Gizga Essentials card reader. The link is in the description in case you want to check it out. And this has the ability to go ahead and check the cards of micro SD, T-Flash, SD, SDHC, and also Type A USB ports. It's a hub light, a total hub. It has 4 ports in it with one. And you can also attach a USB stick also onto this. So to start with the unboxing, first we do have to go ahead and open this. So let's go ahead and cut it out. Okay, that's being done. And this can support till 1 TB of anything. That is, even if you are attaching an extra hard disk or anything till 1 TB, you can go ahead and try this out to your USB hub. So what about USB hub? What all is there in this? First of all, this is the part of Type A cable where it will go to your computer or laptop or notebook, anything which you're using. And now, here you see the label of that, and now comes the ports over here. You have 3 ports. They are Type USB, Type 2.0 ports over here, all 3. And here you have the large memory card slot in case you're using DSLR or anything, or you're using a big memory card. You can go ahead and attach this over here and attach it to your computer in case you don't have a memory card slot on the computer. And above is the micro SD card, in which you can go ahead and attach that also to your computer without any problem. And this one comes within 300 bucks in Amazon. And if you do have an offer also going on, it will be coming to even more cheaper price where you can extend the capability of your device, that is any laptop or computer, without any problem. That is, you'll be able to attach many devices. Like mostly you have about 2 to 3 ports. That's the max you have on any of the computers or laptops. And what this gives you the advantage of is attaching 3 more ports plus SD card. That is, you can put a USB flash drive over here. You can go ahead and connect directly to a different type of drive with this, like you can say external hard disk. You can also connect a normal memory card also over here by the big one or the small one, and connect this part to your computer. So this is the easiest way you can extend the capability of your computer. And it does have a fast transfer also, this device. So the unboxing is done. Now we will see the features over here. Okay, this has a capability of going ahead and transferring data up to 480 Mbps, and that is pretty fast for a device. And it has 3 ports, as I told you, multi-system capability, whatever system you want. And it is just a plug and play. There will be no drivers installed. So, and it supports even OTG. That is, in case in the third port you want to go ahead and connect your phone onto your device, you can also go ahead and do that. And it will go ahead and recognize that on your computer or laptop. So these are the main features in this, and you can check the link out below in the description if you want to go for this. And there is an offer going on for this in Amazon, which you can check out. I hope this video helped you out, and thank you for watching this video till end. And if you did like this video, please go ahead and leave a like button. It would support the channel, and do subscribe for future notification and updates of videos. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day.